Hi friends. Today I will show you 6 coolest gadgets and inventions 2021, which you can buy from online stores. Please watch till end. Like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Let's begin. Hurricane 9. The Hurricane 9 is the fully patented flying ring launcher toy that dogs absolutely love. If your dog is lazy when you play with dog using frisbee or ball, here is the solution. Your dogs will be attracted to the Hurricane 9, and also it catches the flying ring. Hurricane 9 gives great exercise for your dog in just minutes. This is made from durable EVA foam. Easily withstands bite marks. These rings can fly up to 100 feet. Lex Wearable Bionic Chair. The Lex is a bionic wearable chair that enhances posture, comfort, and life. It allows you to sit comfortably in the most ergonomic positions, anytime and any place. This is crafted from aerospace grade aluminum. The Lex is light and durable, easy to put on in just a few seconds. The Lex lets you sit instantly and aligns your body into the best ergonomic positions. This helps to reduce the risk of back pain, fatigue, and stress from long commute or working hours. This is very light and very strong. It can withstand up to 120 kilograms of weight. You can carry with you everywhere. This is designed to let you relax anywhere with perfect sitting posture. Lens HD. If you feel your lens are always dirty, here is the solution to clean your lens. Just use the spray cleaner and insert your lens. This contains soft sponges with microfiber cloths. Lens HD uses Type-C power. You can feel the difference in your lens. This is lab tested with ketchup, cream, wasabi paste and coffee. Gives the stunning results. This provides you maximum coverage and fits any types. Dyson. This is simple plug and play vacuum cleaner. It comes with a wall mount to fix it for charging. Easy to insert the suction pipe and cleaner. Dyson has the most powerful suction of any vacuum. From deep cleans and capturing pet hair to quick cleans and versatile hard floor solutions. This can even clean small dust particles from floor. Dyson comes with two speeds, minimum and maximum. Maximum speed allows you to deep clean the floor. It comes with Edge Vacuum Cleaner, which allows you to clean the edges of the wall. You can also change the suction pipe and clean sofa. This also provides an additional pipe to deep clean the edges of the sofa. You can dispose the dust easily by just pulling the clip. Alley Light. Alley Light is a safety tool used by mountaineers, hikers, trekkers, rock climbers, cavers, bicycle riders, camping enthusiasts and casual free-spirited adventurers who love activity in nature. Alley Light combines modern technology, functionality and aesthetics in a unique product. This is a 360-degree beam of light. Hugely increased spatial awareness. Total control at your fingertips. You can also increase and decrease the lighting. This is hands-free and ergonomic. Freedom of movements. Click Pack Pro. This is a multifunctional backpack. Comes with box type profile. This backpack provides true slash resistant and no curves. It provides more space for every type of accessories. This uses a scientific storage system. Load it, lock it and go. stuck to safety and security with quadruple security function. The ClickPack Pro is the best functional and stylish backpack to protect you from theft.